In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing new audio visualizations you've downloaded onto your device, like Project M, for example. So basically, in order to begin or start the process of this tutorial, you should have already downloaded the files to your device. And then what you're going to do is just close out a VLC Media Player if it's open for whatever reason, and open up the search menu. And you want to type in File Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, you want to select this PC and then double click on your drive where you have your applications installed. Most people, it's going to be the local drive. If not, you may have to go look at a different drive because you're going to find out pretty quick if you have a program files folder in here. So go ahead and double click on that. And then there should be a video LAN folder. Double click on that. And then once you've done that, double click on the VLC folder. And then once you've opened up this folder, just drag and drop the file directly into this visualizations folder, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.